Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just looking to learn more about keeping your car in top shape, this video is for you. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the fascinating world of car electrical systems together. Spark your knowledge, basic electrical maintenance for your car. Shocking truths, a beginner's guide to car electrical systems. Juiced up, essential tips for maintaining your car's electrical components. The power within, understanding and caring for your car's electrical system. Wired for success, simple steps for maintaining your car's electrical health. Electrifying maintenance, a DIY guide to basic car electrical care. Voltage control, practical tips for maintaining your car's electrical components. Electric Avenue, a comprehensive guide to car electrical maintenance. Jolt Your Ride, essential electrical maintenance tips for your car. WireWise, mastering basic car electrical maintenance. Power Surge, the ultimate guide to caring for your car's electrical system. Current Connections, easy steps to maintain your car's electrical components. Electrical Essentials, a beginner's handbook for car owners. Shock Tactics, simple strategies for keeping your car's electrical system healthy. Amplify Your Knowledge, practical tips for maintaining your car's electrical system. Spark Plug-in, essential maintenance tips for your car's electrical system. Maintaining your car's electrical system is crucial for ensuring the proper functioning of various components. Here are some general tips to help you maintain your car's electrical system. 2. Inspect the alternator and starter. Check for any signs of wear or damage on the alternator and starter. Make sure the connections are tight and secure. 3. Check the fuses and relays. Inspect the fuses and relays in your car's electrical system to ensure they are not blown or damaged. Replace any faulty fuses or relays as needed. 5. Inspect the wiring. Check the wiring in your car for any signs of damage, fraying, or wear. Repair or replace any damaged wiring to prevent electrical issues. 8. Follow the manufacturer's maintenance schedule. Refer to your car's owner's manual for recommended maintenance intervals for the electrical system components. By following these tips and regularly inspecting and maintaining your car's electrical system, you can help prevent potential issues and ensure your vehicle runs smoothly. In conclusion, understanding your car's electrical system is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's performance and safety. By learning the basics of how electricity flows through your car and being able to troubleshoot common electrical issues, you can save time and money on repairs. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in empowering you to take better care of your vehicle. Remember, a well-maintained electrical system is key to keeping your car running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more car maintenance tips and tricks on our channel.